Sairam. Now we are in the part 4 video of how to create a edit form for a specific data. Like for example, the employee information. That's what we are doing. Okay. So in the previous thing, we have seen how to pass the parameter. Now we are going to see how to populate the DDL information. That we are very familiar how to create that one. Only thing now, to reduce the workload, okay, duplication work, to reduce the duplication work, what we are going to do is, we are going to just copy the, we are just going to copy the DLL file of add, okay, here it is, okay. So this is the load API. So as per the add is concerned, there is only one load API, okay, because there is no other information is required to be loaded. So only the DDL part has to be loaded. So we have this employee add load API JS function. Now we have in the edit form, we have two load API. One is the DDL, the other one is edit information. All right. So first of all, let us take the DDL part. So what I need to do is just copy this Excel and put it in the edit folder, rename it as employee edit load DDL underscore API JS function. Okay. And what are the changes required to be done? That we are going to see now. So as per the algorithm is concerned, I just renamed it as employee edit load DDL API JS function. Okay. And the PHP name is given like this. Employee edit load DDL API JSFNS.php. And the function name is employee edit DDL JS function. Now these changes has to be done in the Excel. That's the only changes required. Nothing need to be changed. Okay. Once this is done, we can go to the next level very easily. Okay. So what I did is I just copied this file and go to the JS function, just change the function name. Of course, nothing, no changes in the main tag, server path, nothing is required, because all the information, there is no difference in the DDL part between the add and edit. Correct. So it is going to be same. The whatever the drop down in the add, the same thing is going to happen in the edit also. So there is no big changes. So in that, as per this case is concerned, and most of the case it will be like only, there are very rare cases where there would be changes between the add and edit form, that we will say, that we will see in the case to case study, that we will not worry about. In the most of the cases, the drop down information for add and edit form is going to be the same. Okay, fine. So we have changed only the PHP name and the function name. So PHP name, obviously, you know that you need to change here, and the function name that you change it. Only these two changes required, and save it, generate the PHP, the job is done. That's about this particular video. So once this is done, we are done with this, the DDL part. Okay. Okay. Now in the edit form, we need to, in the load function, we need to call the this particular function, so that we are checked up with the algorithm. So in the algorithm, what is the function is called in the load function? The first function is called is employee edit DDL JS FNS.php. This particular part has to be updated in the employee editor form. So we will go to Control J, load. So here you need to copy this particular employee edit DDL JS function. Once this is done, that means once the edit form opens, automatically the employee edit DDL JS function will load, so that the DDL part will be uploaded. Fine. That's about this particular video. Once this is done, we will go to the next part of the video. Okay, fine.